Hello everyone, I am Canberk from Node 101. Welcome to another video of our new video series where we review the new projects that we are validated with our expansion fund and stake their tokens. Today's project is Canto. If you wish, let's start by examining Canto first. Canto is a permissionless Layer 1 blockchain. This means that with Canto, developers can create smart contracts and centralized applications created to provide an alternative to the current financial system and to promote decentralized finance. Canto is built using the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, and uses Cosmos SDK, which acts as bridge between Cosmos tokens and ERC20 tokens, and is designed to make new systems accessible, transparent, decentralized, and fee-free. We can also say that centralization is Canto's biggest focus, because Canto is a project that was launched without any foundations, pre-sales, or venture bakers in order to be completely decentralization. When we look at Canto's roadmap, there is no currently no publicly available roadmap for Canto, but that doesn't mean that they don't have future plans. The Canto team has identified three basic principles that sustain healthy DeFi ecosystems, and they focus on three products in line with these principles. The first of these products is Canto DEX. Canto DEX is a digital exchange that will not be managed and cannot launch a token or impose additional fees. With these features, Canto DEX prevents people from moving their money to different exchanges in search of better returns. Another product, the Canto lending market, is a lending protocol that allows people to deposit LP tokens from Canto's decentralized exchange as collateral. This collateral is used to provide a lending market, and Canto lending market is managed by stakers focused on growing the ecosystem and creating an environment that works for developers and DeFi users. Our latest product is a stablecoin that's called Nodes. In fact, this is how we can briefly describe the Canto project. So let's take a look at the Canto team. The team behind Canto operates anonymously and refer to themselves as a loosely organized collective of chain native builders and call themselves contributors. Scott Lewis, co-founder of DeFi Pulse and Slingshot Crypto, is one of the Canto's contributors and a lending force. The Black Team is another group of the contributors responsible for the development of the network, the free public infrastructure and Canto.io front-end. Looking at the social media accounts of other people in the team, it seems that some members of the founding team have worked together on projects before and have come together again to work on Canto. After briefly summarizing the Canto team, let's get to our Canto tokens and move on to Canto staking phase. Yes, today we will buy our Canto tokens on the Maxi exchange. Let's start by buying a symbolic amount of Canto. After confirming, we wait for it to happen and our transaction is done. Then we go to the wallet section. Here we can see the Canto's wave. Then we need to withdraw the Canto's wave and put them into our Canto wallet. For this, first we need to go to the Canto site and connect Canto wallet with our Metamask wallet. We can connect our wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button. Since I connect my wallet before, there was no approval phase, but for those who connect their wallets for the first time, they need to give the approval from their Metamask wallets. Now we copy the wallet address here and paste it into the address section to withdraw our Canto tokens. One Canto is taken as a fee. After pressing submit, after giving our SMS and mail confirmation, we can proceed to the staking phase. Yes, all Canto tokens are now in our wallets. If you want, before moving on the staking phase, let's look at what we should pay attention to while staking. Before staking, we first need to pay attention to the commission rates. If we go and choose a validator with a 100% commission rate, we will not earn anything because all the rewards will go to the validator. As a solution to this, choosing a validator with a 0% commission rate may not make much sense either, because when some projects organize airdrops, they may exclude validators with 0% commission rates because they think that they are not sustainable. So the most logical option for us is to choose a validator with a reasonable commission rate. Another question is whether to choose a validator from the lower or upper ranks. To answer these questions, since every staked coin has voting power, we can choose a validator from the lower ranks to maintain centralization. If you wish, let's move on to staking phase. Today we will stake some of the Canto tokens we have on the node 101 validator and some on the another validator that we will drive by lot to contribute to decentralization. Let's start by staking on the node 101 first. Here we can stake the Canto tokens by pressing the delegate button. We can cancel the staking process by pressing the undelegate button, but after 21 days, after canceling our transaction, Canto tokens come to our wallets. Moreover, we can also change the stake amount by pressing the redelegate button. Now, I will stake 9 Cantos in the node 101 validator. Here we press the delegate button after confirming. Then we need to confirm from our Metamask wallet. Now we press sign. After pressing sign again, yes, our transaction is done. If you wish, now we select our other validator by lottery. Yes, our next validator is Demon Da. Let's take our Canto tokens there. We will stake 9 Canto tokens in Demon Da. In the same way, we confirm the transaction here and press the delegate button. Then we need to confirm it from our wallets. After pressing sign again here, our transaction is realized. Yes, our transaction is done. Now our Canto tokens are being staked. That's all I will tell you today. In this video, we examined the Canto project and team, also stake Canto tokens. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.